Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list.
Hi there, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at the Gibson J-200 Art Deco. But before we do so, I will very strongly encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Click the link below to hear what our current subscribers have to say about it. On to the Gibson J-200 Art Deco. This guitar just came in and I was excited about it. And then I held it in my hands and I was even more excited about it because it has some incredibly minute details that we need to discuss right this very second. The Gibson J-200 Art Deco is essentially on a J-200 platform. We have a Sitka spruce top, classic bridge, bone saddle, bone pins, classic J-200 pickguard, and very, very nice maple back and sides. Very nice flame maple. But, as you may have noticed already, we have some Art Deco stylings on the bridge. We have some inlay done in abalone. We have some inlay in the pickguard, which also reflects the Art Deco theme. Around the top, we're bound in Ivoroid. And on the inside, we have this beautiful turquoise purfling that pretty much borders everything. The pickguard, the rosette, and again, the purfling around the top. The fingerboard is a beautiful piece of rosewood with Art Deco abalone cloud inlays. That is also bound in ivory with the turquoise purfling on either side. On the player's end, we have gold fret markers, which is a really cool touch to this instrument. We have a rosewood headstock overlay with a mother of pearl truss rod cover with an Art Deco sunrise with the turquoise lines coming out, which is also bound in ivory with the turquoise purfling. Gibson inlaid in mother of pearl in the top. Grover Imperial tuners. A beautiful laminated flame maple neck with the turquoise purfling running down the center and the Gibson Custom Shop logo. We also have an 1 3/4 bone nut along with a bone saddle. So let's give this Gibson J-200 Art Deco a play so you can hear what it sounds like.
Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.